Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll share with you guys how you can use DeepSeek with VS Code completely for free. You don't have to pay any subscription fee and you can use it unlimited and generate awesome looking website. Let me first give you an example of what I was able to generate completely for free using DeepSeek. So that is the website, and I just gave it one single line that this is my website, use the content and use the color scheme and generate a nice looking website. And you can see that it has this nice looking website with awesome and cool animation and how it works section, featured portfolio, and it also has inner pages. So if I click on services, you can see that these are my services, AI automation. So it pulled out all of the current content of my current live website and able to generate this nice looking website, including the inner pages. I didn't have to write any content. I didn't have to think about any UI or anything else. It just did it all at its own completely for free. And I use DeepSeek and Visual Studio Code. Now I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. So let's open up our VS Code. And in the VS Code, before getting into the VS Code, you will have to download Ollama. So navigate to ollama.com and we will be using DeepSeek 3.2. That's the model which we will be using. So that's the one, DeepSeek v3.2, which is available for free. So first step is to go to ollama.com and sign in. And once you do that, you can install the Ollama and use that within the VS Code. Now let me tell you the commands which you will be using. First, let's take a look at the benchmarks of DeepSeek v3.2. So that's the benchmarks where it's going to tell you the intelligence, speed, and price. You can see that it's pretty much competitive with the Claude Opus 4.6 as if you compare the speed. So Claude Sonnet 4.6 is 61 and this one is 49. Really good for if you are able to use it completely for free. And that is the intelligence benchmark. And that is the pricing, which you can see is very affordable if you want to use it. Now let's go to VS Code and open up the terminal. In this terminal, we will be adding command to install Ollama first. So for installing the Ollama, again, go to ollama.com and here you will find this command. Simply click on this copy icon and then go back to your VS Code terminal and paste the command here and simply hit enter. I've already installed Ollama. That's why it's saying stopping Ollama instance, but you would not see that and it will be installed for you within a few seconds. So guys, once you install Ollama, you will see it like this, install complete. And now when I run Ollama, you can see that it's showing me option that which model I want to run. So currently I have Llama 3.2 already downloaded, Qwen 3 Coder next, but we are testing DeepSeek. So I'm going to install DeepSeek and how we can do that. So I'm going to press escape to exit Ollama and then go back to Ollama website, search for DeepSeek. Here we have DeepSeek v3.2. If I click on that, you can see that we have the cloud version. And that is the command which we will need to copy and paste to our terminal. So I'm simply going to click on copy and then go back to my terminal, paste the command and hit enter. And we have DeepSeek v3.2 installed and we can simply chat with the model from here. So if I say hi, it's going to respond. Since there's no specific question, hello, how can I help you today? So that's the answer which we got, right? Now what we want is to build a complete website, not just chatting with the model, because we can simply chat it out. It will give us the code and we will then need to paste into our files. We want it all to be automatic. And for that, we will be using Claude Code, which is an Agentic coding tool. Now let's exit this out by adding /by. And now we will install Claude Code in our VS Code. And for that, go to Ollama again, and here you can see that we have Claude Code option. So first we will need to install the Claude Code. Again, go back to the Ollama website homepage. And here, if we scroll down, you can see that we have these agentic coding tools. Codex is from OpenAI, Claude Code is from Anthropic, OpenCode. I don't know which company is this from, but we can install Claude Code. So let's click on Claude Code. And here it will provide us with the instruction. So that's the command line, which we will need to add again in our VS Code. So I'm going to click on copy icon here, go back to my VS Code terminal, paste the command and hit enter. Okay guys, you can see that our Claude Code is installed. Now, in order to run Claude Code with Ollama, what we will need to do, again, we'll go back to Ollama website, and here we were going to DeepSeek. So that's the model which we installed. Click on DeepSeek v3.2. And here you can see that we have this command for Claude Code where we will be launching Claude Code with DeepSeek v3.2 using Ollama, right? So again, let's click on copy icon here, go back to your VS Code terminal, paste, and hit enter. And now it's asking me to authorize the access for this folder. I'm going to hit yes, I trust this folder. And now we can generate website using the prompt. So we will simply give it a prompt that build me a nice looking website, take content from this website, use same color scheme. It should be high-end with all the inner pages. So that's the prompt which I gave to Claude Code using DeepSeek to generate the website, which I have shown you guys in the starting of this video. You can use this same prompt and generate nice looking website, and you don't have to go in, copy and paste the code like you would do with ChatGPT, with Gemini, and all of that LLMs which are available for you. You can use VS Code and generate nice looking website. Let me know if you were able to generate the website using the prompt which is showing up in the screen. If you were having any issues, let me know in the comments below. Would love to create a follow-up video for this, guys. Until next video, have a great day.